What actually triggered modernism? When we talk about modernism in architecture, where do we even begin? Do we start with the style, glass walls, sharp corners, white boxes, no ornament? Or do we ask a better question? Like, why did it happen at all? Because modernism didn't just appear out of nowhere. It wasn't a style for style's sake. It wasn't just someone saying, let's go minimal. And yet, maybe that's how it feels today. We scroll through sleek images online. Everything looks clean, curated, polished, but we rarely stop to ask, where did this idea come from? What was it reacting to? When you look just a little deeper, you realize modernism wasn't born from aesthetics. It was born from pressure, from overload, from a world that was changing too fast for tradition to keep up. So where and when did it begin? We're in Europe, mid to late 1800s, especially Britain, France, and Germany. This wasn't just about geography. This was the heart of the Industrial Revolution, a time when machines, factories, and mass production began to reshape daily life. Just imagine it. For centuries, life was handcrafted, predictable, and slow. Then suddenly, the world was full of steam engines from the 1770s, powering factories, ships, trains, railroads, widespread by 1830s, slicing through the countryside, mass steel production, Bessemer process, 1856, enabling skyscrapers, reinforced concrete developed through mid-late 1800s, opening new structural possibilities, electric lighting, practical from 1879 onward, extending work into the night, elevators, mid-1800s, flipping the value of vertical space, sewage and sanitation systems improving public health and city planning. Cities exploded, people flooded in, life got faster, denser, louder. It was dirty, it was mechanical, it was inhuman. And yet architecture, still dressing itself in historical costumes, temples, cathedrals, palaces, ornament for the sake of appearance. That's when architects started to question. They looked around and thought, why are we still designing like it's the past when everything around us is the future? And slowly, logic began to replace nostalgia. If steel could span a space, why pretend it's stone? If a facade serves no structure, why spend months carving it? If housing is urgent, why waste budget on classical decoration? These weren't abstract design questions. They were real-world problems rooted in common sense. That's when modernism stepped in, quietly, not as a style, but as a question, what actually matters here?